Tobacco is a plant that grows natively in North and South America. Tobacco is believed to be a cure, and was used to dress wounds as well as painkiller. Tobacco grew very popular in Europe because of its supposed healing abilities. Europeans thought that tobacco could cure almost anything, from bad breath to cancer. During the 1600s, tobacco was used so much that it could be used in lieu of money. In 1826, nicotine in pure form was discovered, and then scientists later found out that it was a dangerous poison. However, by 1923, 45% of the market was controlled by cigarette company Camel. In 1964, the Surgeon General's report on smoking and health came out, which helped the government restrain cigarette sales and its advertising. By 1965, Great Britain banned cigarette ads on television. The next Benzene. It is present in high levels of cigarette smoke and also found in pesticides and gasoline. It causes harmful effects on bone marrow and can cause a decrease on red blood cells. Formaldehyde. It is responsible for some of the nose, throat, and eye irritation smokers experience when breathing in cigarette smoke. It is also a chemical used to preserve dead bodies. Cadmium, a toxic heavy metal used in batteries, and smokers contain twice as much of it in their bodies as non-smokers. The high intake of cadmium can cause bone fractures, damage to the central nervous system and immune system, severe stomach pains, possible DNA damage, or cancer development. For instance, women who smoke while pregnant have a higher risk of getting cadmium in their milk than non-smokers. Carbon monoxide. It can be found in high levels of cigarette smoke. It can also be found in car exhaust and can be fatal in large amounts. Nicotine is an addictive element of cigarettes. It can also be found in pesticides. It enters the brain and disrupts its usual functioning, increases blood glucose levels, causes strong mood-altering effects, and causes people to become addicted to it. Ammonia. It is used to boost the impact of nicotine in cigarettes. It can also be found in cleaning products and fertilizers. It can damage cells on contact also. You get damage to your respiratory system and lung capacity is decreased. There is limited lung growth and function if you were young when you started smoking. There can be increased incidence of asthma, and you can also have a chronic cough. Smoking gives you bad breath and taste in your mouth. You also get yellow and brown stains on teeth. Smoking causes the person to have smelly hair and clothes. Their fingernails are grimy. And smoking causes skin to look older, in turn causing that person to look older as well. Addiction. It is scientifically proven that one cigarette can lead you to want another, even if it is your first time smoking. Addiction is a cycle. First it leads to one cigarette, then the nicotine reaches your brain and you feel instant relief. And after that relief drops, then the person wants another, and it starts over and over again. Cancer. Lung, oral cavity, pharynx, larynx, esophagus, pancreas, kidney, bladder, and cervix cancer can be caused by smoking.
I'm sorry, you don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you.
Heart disease. It can cause hypertension, which is high blood pressure, congestive heart failure, which is ineffective pumping of the heart, which leads to loss of fluid in the lungs, coronary heart disease, which is narrowed heart arteries that can cause heart attacks, and strokes, which is when blood flows to the brain is blocked. Women who smoke reduce their fertility, while men reduce their potency. If a woman smokes while she is pregnant, then it can have negative effects on her and her child.
I never knew that everything was falling through, that everyone I knew was waiting on a cue to turn and run when all I needed was the truth. But that's how it's got to be, 'cause coming down to nothing more than apathy. I'd rather run the other way and stay and sleep. Smoke you stay.
People who are trying to quit can reach out to websites and hotlines for support. Nicotine patches are most helpful to people who feel like they need to be protected from cravings throughout the day. Nicotine gum helps you control your cravings whenever you feel the urge to smoke. I know that you feel the same now. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be. Within a few hours, the level of carbon monoxide in the blood begins to decline. Heart rate and blood pressure, which are normally high while smoking, begin to return to normal. Quitting leads to your sense of smell and taste improving. Your odor is gone and no more stains appear in your teeth. Your overall physical appearance is much better. Quitting at age 30. Studies have shown that smokers who quit at age 30 reduce their chance of dying prematurely from smoking-related diseases by more than 90%. Quitting at age 50. People who quit at age 50 reduce their risk of dying prematurely by 50% compared to those who continue to smoke. Quitting at age 60. Even people who quit at age 60 or older live longer than those who continue to smoke. Quitting smoking reduces the risk of developing and dying from cancer.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
An average pack of cigarettes costs $6. $6 times 365 days a year equals $2,190. Over 50 years of smoking, that is over $100,000. Stop now and it can save you thousands.